weekend restorations time. So we're just going to do the boring stuff first, besides my truck. So firstly, we put brand new front tires on this fool right here. Brand new front tires. Then we got radio, brand new radio in here for the four-wheeler radio. We bought batteries for this boat over here, and surprisingly, this boat is older than my truck. This thing is in like an '84. So we got new batteries for this, so this thing runs now. And now for the good part, my truck. Look at those flags. They look so good. God bless America. Got them on each side. They don't stay there, but I put them on here just for this video because they look good. And, well, still trying to get this stuff, like the dash thing covered, not covered, the stuff for the dash. We're still trying to get. And under the hood, we got a new filter on there. That's just the cap, but we got the new filter under it, of course. So we got that, and we think we finally got the truck to idle right. Because before, in some other videos, it would idle terrible, like the ones where we were working on the truck, exhaust video while working on truck, like that one. I think we finally fixed that to where it'll idle good now. So should idle good now, so that's good. And well, that'll be the end of that weekend restorations update. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.